The transformation happens from the great people, and it's happened. Seeing is believing. Those who want to see the transformation, they need to go to Hyderabad to see the Kanha and the things which have happened there, how the barren land was transformed into the green land and then doing so much of service.
So more we experience, you will be tempted to further purify yourself and simplify yourself so that you could accommodate more and more and more of that infinity.
Spirituality is every human being's birthright, and Daaji is bringing heartfulness to the doorstep of every individual. Your slogan, Har Dil, Har Dhyan, resonates with us doctors, and this path of heartfulness meditation is surely going to benefit all the doctors and the teachers in this great institution, make us more empathetic, compassionate, and also help us develop understanding for our patients as well as our students. Today we are going to be signing a memorandum of understanding which will help to promote research in the field of meditation and its role in rehabilitation, promotion of health, prevention of diseases, and how it will have also effect on palliation in several diseases.
There are many topics that we can play with, but sky is the limit in this field. You guys can explore it further.